I wish in vain. I wish I was a youth again, but a youth again I can never be, till apples grow on an ivy tree. I left me father, I left me mother, I left all my sisters and brothers too. I left all my friends and my own religion. I left them all for to follow you. And love is pleasing, and love is teasing, and love is a pleasure when first it's new. But as it grows older, sure the love grows colder, and it fades away like the morning dew. And the sweetest apple is the soonest rotten, and the hottest love is the soonest cold. And what can be cured, love, must be endured, love. But my own true love I will never behold. For love and porter makes a young man older, and love and whiskey makes him old and grey. And what can be cured, love, has to be endured, love. And now I am bound for America. For love is pleasing, and love is teasing, and love is a pleasure when first it's new. And as it grows older, so the love grows colder, and it fades away like the morning dew.